Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to know your TradingView account ID. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and at the top left corner you can see your profile icon. So once you click over there, you can see your username. You need to hover on it, and now you can see lots of options. You need to click on profile setting, which is at thirds on in the screen. So once you click over there, you will be redirected to another page where you can see your profile ID and everything, and all your account details as well. So basically this is how you can know your TradingView account ID, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.